Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Remelin Marcos Tupino, 44 years old. I'm married with Reginaldo Lucas Tupino. I have three sons ages 19, 17, and 11 years old. I have three sisters and two brothers. I'm the third kids of the family. I live in Lana and Rile, Cagayan. I undergraduate in culinary arts.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in 2 years with two couples, three children, ages 5, 7, and 13. I take care of elderly woman aged 79 years old. I clean the house, ironing, I wash dishes. I giving medicines and vitamins with elder woman. I cook food for the whole family.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I secure the baby if sick. I give medicines. If possible, the sick is not going down, I must call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm hardworking and patient helper.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I pursue to go abroad so that my children, I gave them the best future someday if they finish their studies.
If you get hired, you will take care of your children.
My husband can take care of them and their own self because they are all elderly.
Okay. If you get hired, you will take care of your child.
My husband and their self can take their own selves.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
Just pray for God and continue working, and I call my family if possible.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep 11 p.m. and I wake up 8:30 a.m.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, I am.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
Just to calm and be patient for them.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
I'm willing to cook Chinese food.
But can you cook?
Yes, sir, I will.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
I'm willing to cook Chinese food.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Oh, yes, sir.
Sing it.
I have two hands, the left and the right, holding apart, so clean and bright. Take them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Hi, sir, madam. If you are willing to get me as your helper, I am be patient and hardworking helper last. If you promise, I promise you to serve your family. My pleasure to be your helper.
Okay.